Alright, we got this double cardon joint. What we're going to do is in this yoke right here, there's a centering ball. And when we rebuilt this, we didn't have that part. But Fedors got that part now, so we're going to pull that centering ball out and rebuild it. So that's going to involve removing the two clips for the U-joint, push the new U-joints and get it out to expose this piece here that we can repair. It's stuck in there again. Oh, you cocksucker. It stayed on there.
So we got the ball out.
Yeah. Now we just gotta get the ball off of that.
It's probably gonna be through there. We got a new sleeve, so we can just trash that one.
There we go. Your girlfriend almost got hit though. There's a new part here, the new ball seal, so we're gonna fill that full of grease. And we just gotta polish that up. Anything extra to just squeeze out. There is a little retainer in there that keeps the needle bearings from falling out. So we're going to take this spring and put it back in the drive shaft. Let you put that little spring back on.
Should we grease it?
You're the man. See if it's going to go on smooth. It'll be easier since the other flip it around so it's up and down. Don't fuck it up. You scared?
So scared.
Never happened last time. I dropped all the rollers on the ground.
Like a glove.
Did it go in?
Yep.
You can feel the spring?
Yep.
Oh fuck, that's money. Yes. Oh, look at that. Hey?
New.
You couldn't do that previously.
Nope.
That's money in the bank right there.
No more squeaking.
No more squeaking. Alright, it's motherfucking beer time. I'm going to end the video there on replacing the centering ball on the double cardon joint. It's actually not a very bad job. It's pretty easy to do. I wish we would have had that part the first time when we rebuilt the drive shaft, but
it is what it is. And if you want to see the whole drive shaft rebuild, you can click up here on the annotation, or there'll be a link in the description if you want to see the whole build of the double cardon joint. Anyways, I'm going to get going. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.